everyone. Today I have brought you all a delicious chicken pasta in white sauce recipe. It's very easy to make. Please go through the ingredient list and we can start making. If you want a veggie pasta, just omit the step of adding chicken. So first I am going to boil my pasta. I have taken 3 cups of whole wheat shell-shaped pasta. It's very attractive and kids will love it. So here I have boiled some water with little salt in it and added my pasta to it. I have to cook for 9 minutes according to the instruction given in my pack. We have to be careful not to overcook the pasta. Mine is ready now. I'm draining it and keeping it aside. Next we shall fry our chicken pieces. I have taken a frying pan and I'm adding little oil to it just to fry the chicken. I have taken small boneless pieces of chicken, roughly around 100 grams. If you like more chicken in your pasta, you can add more. As we have cut it into small pieces, it will be cooked very fast. Now our chicken is changing its color. We have to add little salt to it just for seasoning. Now our chicken is almost cooked. We can add half teaspoon of pepper powder to it and saute well. Now our chicken is cooked really well. We can transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Next we are going to saute some vegetable. For that we are using the same pan. We are adding some oil to it. Once oil is hot, we are adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. You can adjust the amount of garlic added according to your taste. I love strong garlicky flavor in my white sauce pasta. Saute it until nice aroma comes. After that we can add the vegetables one by one. You can use vegetable of your choice for this pasta. I prefer carrot, beans and some sweet corn. If mushroom is there, you can add mushroom also. So here our garlic is sauteing very well. Nice aroma started coming. Now we are going to add our vegetables one by one. I have taken 4 tablespoons of carrot and 4 tablespoons of French beans finely chopped. If we add different colors of vegetables, it will look colorful in our white sauce pasta. Saute it very well for 1 or 2 minutes. Now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. We have to saute these vegetables well until it's cooked. We have to add some salt also for seasoning. Now that our vegetables are also ready, keep it aside. Now our final step is making white sauce. For that I have taken a little bigger pan. To that I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. You can even use vegetable oil, but using butter will enhance the flavor. Once butter is melted, we have to add 3 teaspoons of maida. We have to roast maida until all the raw smell and taste goes. After adding maida, the consistency of the mixture should be pasty. It should not be powdery. That is how we determine the amount of butter to be added. We have to keep the heat very low, otherwise we will burn the sauce very easily. For making this sauce, main 3 ingredients we need are butter, maida and milk. Milk should be either at room temperature or little warm. We should keep all these 3 ingredients ready before we start making the sauce. So after adding milk, there is a big chance of forming lumps. In order to avoid that, we have to stir the sauce using a wire whisk. Our sauce will start thickening very fast. We have to stir in continuously. I am adding little salt. We have to be careful while adding salt because we are adding cheese also. I am adding little pepper also for taste. I am adding half cup of grated cheese. I am using processed cheese. After adding cheese, our sauce will start getting thickened very fast. Now our sauce is ready. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and our sauce is ready. Mix everything well. See the consistency. I am going to add our vegetables and fried chicken to the sauce. We have to mix it well. Now we can add our cooked pasta also. After adding pasta, we have to slowly mix everything well. We have to be careful not to break the pasta. Mix very gently. This sauce should coat every single piece of pasta. Once it cool down, it will thicken a bit more. That time if you want to make it little loose, you can add little warm milk. Now our creamy, tasty chicken pasta in white sauce is ready to serve. For garnishing, I have added little more grated cheese and red chili flakes along with some Italian seasoning. Everybody try to make it and let me know. Thank you.